Here I have Samsung Galaxy S9 and let me show you how to scan for viruses on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to open the list of all applications, choose settings, scroll down and select the device maintains right here. Choose device security, tab agree to terms and conditions if you are doing this for the first time, and choose scan phone. The device is scanning the storage and other memory just to find the risks and some viruses. You can see the progress bar on your screen, and the scanning is almost done. As you can see, in my case there is no risk, no virus and other harmful files, so everything is alright, so you can go back and start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.